Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer this. In this module, we will talk about system design, price costing of chapter 4 and module number 9. In this module, we will prepare a cost reconciliation report using FIFO method. So we will reconcile. Okay. So how to check? So first, we have this data, cost to be accounted for, cost of beginning work in process, cost added to production during the period, and therefore we have total cost to be accounted for. In this regard, we have the following given, and therefore if you total, the total is 209,790. Okay? That amount have to be reconciled with the following. Cost accounted for as follows. What are those? Ending work in process inventory. Okay? So above, you will have beginning work in process inventory. Now, we have ending and plus cost of units transferred out. If you added these two, we will have the same amount total cost accounted for. That should equal, that should reconcile. If not, you have to check the ending inventory here and the transferred out unit computation and verify and recompute until the final answer is the same. Okay. So a comparison of costing method in a lean production environment, FIFO and weighted average methods yield similar unit cost. When considering cost control, FIFO is superior to weighted average method because it does not mix cost of current method, current period P with cost of prior period. That is the beauty of FIFO method. Okay. Because first in, first out, it does not mix the old from the current. Okay. And that is a very good principle and concept to know. FIFO, it doesn't mix up. Weighted average, it does not concern mixing up the old inventory and the new inventory. Okay. So if you have any comment, question, inquiry, and suggestion, let us hear from you. Use our comment section below. Again, this is Dr. DrEYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.